Welcome. This is video number 213 and today's video focuses on reset test, that is Ramsey's specification error test, which is related to omitted variables case in multiple regression. Let me start with the multiple regression model, which is of the form y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus up to beta k xk plus error term. So far as this multiple linear regression model is concerned, there are a number of assumptions, and one of the most important assumptions in multiple regression is that the model is correctly specified. And for that we may use either economic theory, or we may use our own knowledge. We may also get guidance from literature review, or we can use our own intuition. So starting with this, we may omit some of the important variables in the model. If we omit important variables, that our results are not reliable. So today we are going to test if we have omitted important variables or not. Just I discussed in my previous video, we know how to test joint exclusion restrictions to see if higher order terms or interactions belong in the model. Sometimes we may need to add x square, x raised to the power 3 and so on, or interaction between x1 and x2 and so on. If you don't include them and they really matter, then we are committing specification error and we omit important variables. So for that we need to conduct a test which is known as reset or Ramsey's regression specification error test. Although it could be difficult to add an extra terms, plus we may find a square terms matters, when really using logs would be even better. A formal test of functional form, as I told you earlier, is Ramsey's regression specification error test, and it is abbreviated as RESET. This test relies on a trick similar to the special form of y-test, but here in Ramsey's test, instead of adding functions of the x's directly, we add and test functions of y hat. That is, we estimate model y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus up to beta k xk plus sigma 1 y hat square plus sigma 2 y hat raised to the power 3 plus error term, and we test this null hypothesis, which is the null hypothesis of Ramsey's test, and that is sigma 1 and sigma 2 are equal to 0, and we use an F statistic with the 2 degrees of numerator degrees of freedom and n minus k minus 3 denominator degrees of freedom, are the Lagrange multiplier chi-square test. So in order to do that, I will open my stata file. Here is the stata file, and I opened this file which is known as auto2 data file from this place, example data set, and this file is available here. So I use this one. So here is the data. These are the various variables. This is auto2 data. Let us suppose MPG, which is mileage, mile per gallon, that depends on a number of variables, and one of the explanatory variable is weight, another could be displacement, and car type, that could be foreign. So let me regress MPG on weight, displacement and FOREIGN. So I regressed mile per gallon on weight, displacement and foreign. This is the ANOVA table. This is total sum of square, this is residual sum of square, and this is the regression sum of square or model sum of square. Here are the coefficients. The coefficient of the weight is minus and it is significant. The coefficient of displacement is positive but it is insignificant, and the coefficient of foreign is negative and it is also insignificant. Now the question is this model correctly specified? Have we omitted some important variable, that is weight, weight square and weight raised to the power cube? Similarly, displacement, displacement square and displacement to the power 3 are the interaction between weight and displacement, weight and foreign, displacement and foreign, and so on. So for that we need to conduct OV test. OV test stands for omitted variable case. So I'll write OVTEST and then I'll press enter, and here are the results. These are the results of the Ramsey reset test using powers of the fitted values of MPG. That is the MPG fit value of MPG square and MPG cube and so on. So the null hypothesis of this test is that model has no omitted variables. The F statistic is this: 3 are the degrees of freedom of the numerator and 67 are the degrees of freedom for the denominator, and the value of the F statistic is 2.53 and its probability value is 0.06, which is greater than 0.05. So we fail to reject this null hypothesis, and it means that this model has no omitted variables. So this is very simple. Let me try some other example with the same data. MPG WEIGHT LENGTH, and similarly displacement. Let me see what happens. Again, this is the result of this model, and in this model now only one variable is significant, that is weight. Length is not significant, it has negative sign. Displacement is not significant. Let me conduct the omitted variable test, and this also shows that we fail to reject the null hypothesis that the model has no omitted variables. Let me see if I can try some other variables, and this time I include price as a variable, and then weight and length, and here are the results. Again OV test, and this time when I included price variable in the model, now the F statistic value is 2.99, but its P value is 0.03, which is underneath the 0.05. So now we reject null hypothesis and we conclude that the model has some omitted variables. So in this case we may use some power of the variables and some interaction among these variables, but the thing is that we can use Ramsey's reset test to check whether the model has omitted variables or not. In all the previous 2 or 3 models we saw that the Ramsey reset test was insignificant and we failed to reject null hypothesis, but in the last case here the probability value is 0.03, which is less than 0.05. So we reject the null hypothesis and we conclude that this model has some omitted variables and we must include those variables. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very important test, and all of you who would like to use estimation, especially the multiple regression model, you may check your model using this Ramsey's test, specification error test, and on the basis of this we can conclude, or you can conclude, that whether you have omitted some variables from the model or not. Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, Research Made Easy with Himi Khan, kindly do subscribe to it, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get notification about some other important videos that I'll upload for you soon. Thanks for watching this, and see you in another video.